Hi, this is Monojit Nandi, and after a long time back, I'm here in the field to test this P500. That means P500 Nikon P500 DSLR touch macro lens. Okay, so this is the out of view, and this is the field as you can see. And I will test my lens here in these strings where I will test. Okay, as you know, I can't too much bend down. I have to stand straight, and I will try in the static objects. I have clicked many photos and I will put them as sample shots. So let's start. I will first go to the pro mode. Okay, and as you know, everything is in auto. Then I will put this lens here. Okay, so as you can see, after putting this lens I am getting this kind of black border here. So this is common in prosumer lenses, and I need to zoom like 1.9x or almost 1.9x, and the black border is gone. Okay, so right now what I will do, I will just check that it gives flat background or not. Okay, so for that case I will use this thing, and I will show you that it gives me flat background or not. Everything is in auto, and I will try to go close. Okay, let me first put this here as. So as you can see, it is giving fully flat background, and here it is the sky, and here is the background, and it is giving you fully flat background. And if I zoom more like 2.5x, and you will get more blur in the background, and two crispy details you are getting here. No issue with the photos. Okay, right now I will show you that it gives like what is the maximum and minimum focal distance of this lens. So I will first try in maximum. So 100 will be maximum, and I will test this thing. Okay, so after putting this, okay, let me adjust this. So it is right. Okay, wait, and it is done in like, and it is done in 1.9. And right now I will show you the maximum distance of this lens. So here maximum is almost pretty good and no issue. This is like 6 to 7 centimeter, and as you can see, with the maximum you are getting this kind of background of. It's really awesome, and that's why I named this lens like DSLR touch. And so maximum is like 6 to 7 centimeter. Now I will show you the minimum is like, so it will be in macro mode. So minimum will be in minimum you will get more blur in background. So minimum is like quite, as you can see, more magnification you are getting. Minimum it is 3 to 4 centimeter. Okay, minimum it is 3 to 4 centimeter. So maximum gone, minimum gone, and now I will test or show you that it gives me like bokeh or not. We got what it is called, we got flat background. Now we will try bokeh in 100, and we will try these objects. Okay, and as you can see, these are the trees. Okay, and I will try here the bokeh test, and I will show you it gives life, it gives bokeh or not. So as you can see, it gives like cute bokeh. As you can see, it gives like cute bokeh. Only 2 or 3 pieces available this lens, and I'm like very sorry that I could not make this kind of videos for you. But those people who bought this lens without seeing any review video, just only few samples, they will be very lucky to get this lens in their hand. So no problem will be there. And as you know, these lenses are made with old broken cameras, and semi DSLR cameras. So minimum scratches are like, what should I say, so there would be few visible minimum scratches, but nothing to do with photo quality, as you can see here. Okay, so right now I'm just closing this video, and I will put few samples as what I have clicked here, and I will tell you. So you got like few